Hi, and welcome to our channel. We're excited to share a secret recipe with you today that will turn your garden into a thriving paradise. We're going to show you how to make a strong mixture that makes the soil healthier and helps plants grow strong. This special mix makes your soil better at holding water and nutrients, which makes your garden stronger and more productive. About how easy it is to make this amazing mix at home and how to give your plants the best start possible. Let's do it. First, we'll cut up weeds, leaves, and plants that are dead or no longer in bloom. The next step is to put them in a blender with some water. This will make green juice for our plants. After we blend about 2 to 3 liters of this green juice, we will add 10 liters of water that doesn't have chlorine in it to our bucket. After that, we'll add 2 kilograms of fully broken down compost. You can also use manure. Now we'll mix these things together well and put a loose lid on top of the bucket to let air flow. The box will sit for 5 to 7 days. The mix of compost, leaves, and weeds has microbes and nutrients that make it full after 7 days. 1 part fertilizer to 10 parts water will now be added to the mix. This organic liquid fertilizer is good for you in many ways. It makes the structure of the soil better, which makes it easier for plants to get water and nutrients. When good microbes are added to the soil, they help break down organic matter. This releases nutrients slowly over time, which helps plants grow. This fertilizer is gentle on plants and makes it less likely that you will use too much, which can hurt the roots and health of the plants. Using organic liquid fertilizer can make your soil more diverse, which will make the ecosystem in your garden healthier. Because organic nutrients are released slowly, plants can use them for a longer time, so they don't need to be fertilized as often. This method of making fertilizer is also cheap and good for the environment, because it reuses things that would otherwise be thrown away. This homemade fertilizer can make plants much healthier, which can lead to higher crop yields in vegetable gardens and more colorful flowers in flower gardens. When you use what's in your garden, you create a closed-loop system that makes your gardening more environmentally friendly. The liquid is full of nutrients that help plants grow strong roots, healthier leaves, and stronger plants that can handle pests and diseases better. If this guide was helpful, please like the video, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell icon to get more gardening guides and tips.